Hi guys. Well, as an online nutrition and training coach and a consultant, there are a lot of questions regarding food that I'm asked on a regular basis. What kind of food should we eat? Is eating a particular kind of food healthy or not? What are the foods that we can categorize as healthy? The answer to most of these questions is primarily a little difficult than that simple. We need to look at least two aspects of eating that make a food healthy or unhealthy for you. First, the quantity of food that you eat. We all know that your body and its composition is primarily dependent on the quantity of food that you eat, which is the number of calories you eat. If you eat above the certain number of calories that you expend during your daily activity, exercise, or just sitting around, your metabolic rate, if you consume calories more than that, then you're bound to bring along with it a lot of fat deposition and weight gain, which in turn turns into a lot of medical health issues in the longer run. Apart from that, the second factor is what is the quality of food that you're eating. What kind of macronutrients does that food provide? Does it give you micronutrients like vitamins, minerals in abundance? Does it provide you the three main macronutrients that we need to be getting from all food sources, which is protein, carbohydrate and fats in the right ratio? Sounds a lot complicated now, doesn't it? Well, a couple of days ago, I was introduced to this brand called True Elements. Well, True Elements is a company that is into creating a lot of health food, which is definitely a separate section of the aisle in the supermarkets these days. But True Elements is a company that has come up with some standalone products which can be utilized into your daily routine. I was really interested in what they had in their catalog. Here they are, and we're about to unbox them now. The first thing I noticed about True Elements was that this is a company based in India. They're running from Pune, and their catalog primarily has an array of food products that can be utilized into a diet schedule, which makes it less tedious, easy at hand, and tasty as well. So the first thing that I got myself it's the True Elements baked granola, which comes with almonds and dark chocolate. The next goodie that I have with me is the chili masala pumpkin seeds. Definitely a good snack. And we have a tangy cranberry oat balls, which will be a great pre-workout snack if I'm not wrong. And we have the snack of the century probably, which is the party mix, which is seasoned with Indian spices. Now none of these are fried. This is baked. These three are roasted, so that cuts out the sort of danger of trans fats that we have from off-the-shelf over-the-counter products, which are sold as health products these days. So I'm sure you must be wondering what's in it for you. Well, True Elements as a company, when I went through their catalog, their products seemed really promising, and obviously they were nutrition dense, because all of their products are made from natural ingredients, to the extent that they have a tracing option on the website which tells you how you can trace from farm to your kitchen whichever batch of product that you've got. There's a sort of a tool on their website wherein you can enter the batch number of the product that you've been delivered, and it will trace you the whole history from farm to your kitchen of your product. A company with that integrity and truth in them encourages me to bind with them, collaborate with them, and we want to see future prospects between me and True Elements through this collaboration. Now, since I make diets, and what makes a diet success is nutrient timing. When are you taking your protein, carbohydrates and fats, in what quantity, what time of the day, what is your activity level like? So all comments, suggestions and questions are welcome. That's it for now. Stay fit, stay strong. Peace.